More private sector employees enjoyed a pay rise last year as the economy improved. Wages were up 4.2% on average after accounting for inflation. And that's against 3.2% the year before. Eugenia Lim has more from the Manpower Ministry's report.
In 2018, most workers got a raise. 67% of companies raised wages, higher than the year before. Fewer companies, about 9%, implemented wage cuts. And that meant over 80% of private sector employees enjoyed higher wages, more than in 2017. Wages grew most in sectors like finance and insurance, professional services, info and communications, and real estate. On the flip side, wages for manufacturing, F&B, retail and construction grew weakest. Growth in wages occurred amidst a 3.1% growth in the economy in 2018. But analysts caution against a rosy outlook for 2019 as the Ministry of Trade and Industry expects GDP growth to come in lower at 1.5 to 2.5%. Also, another issue is how the US-China trade tensions will play out.
The conventional bet would be that Trump would probably want a deal before heading into re-elections. But that's now not a given. And so that's creating the big uncertainty around it. So this environment would probably see a little bit of a squeeze in business top line as well as profits. So that and the uncertainty around the outlook could mean that there will be a greater extent of holdback in terms of wage increments.
When it came to low-wage outsourced workers, 55% of firms adopted the National Wages Council's guidelines to have inbuilt wage increases. This is higher than 44% in 2017, which one labour economist calls encouraging.
Adoption is higher. It's because of the demand for their services. Workers in outsourced work, they don't benefit from the traditional employer's package of fringe benefits. So employers save money there already. So it is good that they give.
For those which employ low-wage workers, fewer adopted these guidelines last year compared to 2017, citing poor business conditions. And economists say this sentiment is likely to continue this year as economic uncertainties hit profitability.